you got that. There isn't? I thought there was.
No.
Okay. I wonder if you can like have these clean.
And look at that. Got some little back pocket covers.
Yeah, these ones have it. I thought. Really? What's the brand of those? Reflect these. Show off. Ooh la la.
Headrests. That's got to be the little one. And then we got the front.
How much did you say? Yeah, exactly the same. Maybe they are the same damn brand. Hard part's just getting everything in the final position. I think it took me like 2 or 3 hours to put mine in, but that's by myself. Mine just has illustrations. I didn't have video.
So we put these 4
Well,
little clips on here and 3 little clips, and then we'll get
you talking to me?
this placed on there. Slide it into here, and that locks it into place. Get this last one.
Everyone want to shut up.
Alright, that was easy enough. Okay, so you can tell which side is which because you got your SRS airbag on the outer part where it opens the door. Take this headrest off. And we'll slide this over top. These seats are in great shape, but we'll put these seat covers on there to continue protecting them. All right.
Are these fabric or leather?
It's just a fake leather, yeah.
Well, fake leather, that's what.
Yeah. Just gotta figure out how to get that back there.
The way I see it, if I can do it, anybody can.
Yeah, that's reassuring. All right, so for these 2 front seat bottoms, they have little bungee clips here. So this one goes here, it wraps around. And the other one goes in between the seat bottoms and then just goes around and clips in. Same deal with this other side. For this one, I stretched the snap clip over here, slid it back because it's way too tight. And then we got it all clipped in. There are some seat wires and SRS wires here that we just want to be mindful of when you're putting this seat bottom in. Got these clips all set up. Slide the seat forward all the way. So I've got.
Is there?
Better too many than not enough. Alright, so this is kind of in the way, so what I'll show you guys is up and
Yeah, but you're gonna have to do it that way for now and then put it behind the seat belt, I guess.
is the seat up all the way?
Is it upside down?
Okay. I was gonna say I hadn't clipped it yet, so.
It's kind of.
Whatever.
Try this.
Alright, so we got these bungees. We're gonna put them back behind here, and then we'll just try to find something to attach it to, and not let go of the bungee until it's securely attached. Far back enough here.
There's that main bar that goes across. I hope to.
Okay. Where's that? Dude.
Really? Mine clipped right on.
There. Alright, I got that one. Alright, hopefully this one will go easier. Looks like I got a little more room. I can hold this up back too. There we go.
Got it?
Yeah.
You just gotta clip it all together, basically.
I would assume this would go behind the.
Yep. Find the best routes for the.
Wait. Not the
Bungees.
first one? That one's there. Where's the other one? First one. And that one. Oh, that's right. These. They had it looped like this here. Let me see if I can. Alright. See if I can stay out of the way here and get a shot in there.
So you gotta pull it a little bit towards the butt. Get it, Kyle?
Working on it.